So
I'm sure you're not using my iPhone.
Yeah,
yeah,
so it just
yeah,
works.
that's fine. I'll let you use it.
So I found Ayub. Can I first name?
Ayub.
So I found Ayub on online. I searched driving instructors Leeds and I found him. And then I've had a week of lessons. Intensive lessons, 2 hours a day. I had 5 lessons. And then I've just passed my test first time. And he's helped me a lot, especially around roundabouts and when to stop when there's like traffic coming in front of you. And it's helped me a lot. So thank you.
Okay, so a couple of things. So first of all, when I got hold of you, no blind spot checks.
Yeah.
So we brought them in. Your clutch control was okay, but you weren't changing gears appropriately.
Yeah.
Okay, we got that fixed. Then there was your meeting situation with other vehicles.
Yeah.
So can you remember what you were doing wrong?
I was just not stopping and just going forwards and trying to squeeze in every gap.
And what did we end up doing then?
So you just told me like when to stop and then to stop a car length.
And how far back do we normally stop then?
A car length. Or two.
Two.
To make sure you have space to go around.
And how do you feel in terms of how long did it take you to pass?
Well, it feels amazing since I've only had like a week of proper lessons, so it feels great.
And did you feel confident going for your driving test?
I was, yeah, but I was also just scared of doing a stupid mistake.
And do you know the person in the back? Who was it? Did she tell you who it was?
No, she just went, "This is Charlotte, she'll be quiet. You won't hear her," and then...
Yeah, it's normally somebody supervising them, so it's just having a look at how they're marking you. And although it may have made you nervous, you held it together.
Yeah. And
your clutch control was superb then.
Yeah.
Okay, how many faults did you have when you passed your test?
3.
Okay, so 3 minus.
3 minus
1 week.
For driving too slow.
Yeah. But you'd rather drive too slow than
too fast and crash, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Would you recommend me to your friends?
I would, yeah, I would 100% recommend you.
Okay, that's fine. You can turn